Yeah, so check it out. This is the aloo chaat. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to have the street foods out in Lajpat Nagar. So this is basically the part 2 of our Lajpat Nagar street food episode. So yeah, let's check it out what else is here for us. And without further talking, let's continue with the video and let's keep eating.
दस का नहीं मिलेगा मैडम, प्लेन दे रहा हूँ 10 रुपये का। आप खा के देखो, पैसे नहीं है। आप बिना पैसे मत देना। अच्छा लगा तो पैसे देना, वैसे लगे अच्छा नहीं लगा तो पैसे मत देना।
तो आप क्या क्या बेचते हो यहाँ पे भैया?
खस्ता कचौड़ी है और समोसा।
खस्ता कचौड़ी और समोसा कितना कितना का मिलता है?
30 रुपये प्लेट है।
मीठा
मीठा भी है।
अच्छा,
और पैसे भी है। चटनी डाल के, सब्जी डाल के। प्यासी का फूल हुआ है। पता नहीं कहाँ गया। बिना प्याज से भी टेस्ट आएगा कचौड़ी हमारी।
एक कचौड़ी मुझे भी बना दो।
so I'm going to taste this kachori now.
पैसे नहीं रखेंगे।
It's fine, not that good I will say.
नहीं, हमारे पास पैसा है।
The concept of kachori is very different from Assam than what I have seen in Delhi.
पता नहीं किसको बुलाओगे, जाने किसको नहीं बुलाओगे, किसको बुलाओगे पता नहीं कौन।
In Assam,
ये वो बुढ़िया मुझे
to be
मालूम है।
in Guwahati to be specific, the kachori is quite different. Like
अच्छा।
it they don't smash it and they don't give any curry or extra potato or anything, but it's quite tasty out there. There is also masala kachori and plain kachori in Guwahati, but this kachori is totally different. They give lots of curries, as you can see. There are lots of curries, lots of masalas. I think some garam masala is also there. I can smell. There is soft and all. भैया क्या क्या डाला है इसमें? क्या क्या डाला है इसमें?
इसमें मसाला है।
क्या क्या मसाला?
धनिया, पुदीना,
अच्छा,
मिर्ची है, मसाला भी काली मिर्ची है, जीरा है, साबुत धनिया, पिसा धनिया है,
मीठा चटनी थोड़ा सा।
हींग भी है।
हाँ, yeah, I can definitely smell hing. I can definitely taste hing.
हींग मेन चीज़ है, बहुत टेस्टी।
Yeah. So we requested him for some sweet sauce, as you can see. Let's taste. How does it taste with the sweet sauce? It's fine. It's okay type. Not that good. The flavor of hing is too strong. It like overrides the flavor of kachori. So yeah, I think I will just finish this off and move on to our next item. And yeah, this kachori is for like 30 rupees only, which is quite cheap again for a street food snack. Yeah, so check it out. This is the aloo chaat. Let's see how does it taste. क्या क्या डाला है भैया?
मसाला, चटनी, नमक, चाट मसाला सब कुछ डाल।
नींबू मसाला, चटनी, चाट मसाला, धनिया का चटनी,
इमली का पानी, आज
इमली का पानी। Quite crispy and quite tasty. It's quite a good item to just have a snack on. And yeah, so we are done with this item, and now we will quickly finish this off and we will move on to our next item.
बिना मिर्ची है, हाफ चाउमीन एक। कड़ी चावल कौन दे रहा है ये? यार बाबूलाल को बोला था यार। कड़ी चावल है ना सर का? लगा दे यार। आप क्या बोल रहे यार?
हाँ वो ले लिया। हाँ yeah, so as you can see we have taken this pav bhaji, and so yeah, let's taste and find it out. How does it taste? quite simple. I think here's tomato and some onions, paneer cubes, and some spinach and some masalas. The taste is quite simple. It's not much spicy. Not that tasty, I would say. Like, I would not come here for the second time, to be honest. And this is dahi, curd, and some pudine ki chutney which they have mixed, and also some cucumber. So yeah, we will just finish up this quickly and then we will move on to our next item.
बंद कर दियो तो प्रॉब्लम काम
Thank you. क्या बनाना है?
दो बैच बनाना, दो बनाना, एक अभी बना। हाँ जी सर।
डॉलमॉन्टे क्या
उन लोगों को मेरे को मिला
वेरी टेस्टी। कैसा है? केसर कुल्फी। यस, केसर कुल्फी। Really tastes like kesar. This is what we needed in this hot weather. So this is how we have spent our evening by having lots of snacks out here, and the area of this Lajpat Nagar is quite big. There are quite a number of food stalls out here, so it cannot be covered up in one day, of course, and there are many other sides to it. So today I have just covered few items, and again we will be coming to this place sooner rather than later. So yeah, hit the subscribe button, and please do like my video if you did enjoy. Thank you for watching.